Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm planning to take you to Vivid Sydney. I have visited the event just a day after it started and it was really crowded. You all have given a lot of love to the last year's video I have given of this event, and I hope you will love this one as well. Stay tuned to enjoy the rest of the video. With this, I came to the end of this video, and I would like to end this with the famous quote which says, hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. Thanks for watching the video. Until we meet next time, do take care of yourself.